Hey guys, what's up? Jesse here from the Subi Sanctuary, and we wanted to give you guys a little update of what's going on here at the shop right now. So what we've got here is Rust Wars 2024, possibly going into 2025, maybe even into 2030 for some of the competitors. So it is going to be me with my Trash Panda, which I will introduce you to in a moment, and Marcello and his
Blue Lagoon going on. What's going on, guys? It's Marcello. So this season, like Jesse said, we are doing a sweet challenge. We're challenging each other to take 2 candidates, and we are going to do with a time frame and a budget, some smaller than others. We're going to do our best to put these cars together for you guys for the 2025 season. So we're going to be documenting this progress for you. You're going to see some funny edits of us going head to head, as well some very informative videos of us fixing and repairing certain things on each of our cars.
So we're going to be periodically posting updates on Instagram, but more thorough and in-depth videos on YouTube. So make sure you check out the YouTube series. If you like rusty stuff, follow along with us for the journey as we revive these rusty weapons into something cool again. I am taking this rusty Wrx versus his rusty build, and we're gonna see who can build a better car out of the two.
I had my headlamp on.
Oh shit.
And
gave him
that
epilepsy.
was how I discovered him, was with this headlamp. Without it, would have overlooked it and it might have stayed in the car.
Oh, what brand is that headlamp?
I don't remember.
Good sponsor.
This is my weapon. It's the Blue Lagoon. It's a 2005 Subaru Legacy GT. As you can see, we have a little helper in the engine bay. Her name's Nav. She's going to be giving me a helping hand this season working on this car.
Don't stay lit.
We want to thank our sponsors, Gearlight, for our